We are now leaving Plains des Roches, village of the Bohemians, Plain de Roche, and we are on our way to Rivière du Rempart. We are sitting.
You're right.
Behind me and down in that huge valley is the Rempart River, or Rivière du Rempart, what this whole district and this town is named after. Apparently Rivière du Rempart has 7,000 people. I think they're all at the mall. The roads are full of little shops, and then you have a little bit of quiet. That's just how these places are. Past the mosque, massive building, takes up this whole block.
I'm going to take a beautiful picture of your whole building and all your beautiful vegetables.
The way they've been incorporating the modern, ultra slick, right next to the old. Seems like there could be a fire. We're about to enter the train park. We are currently walking the track. This is exactly where the track would have run. And we're heading for just ahead there where we can actually see the train station now. Okay, wait a second guys. Okay. Welcome to where the train station used to go. Back out into the sun, hot and sunny here. For those who are into fitness, this is a fitness park. I'll go give it a go in a second. Race car way. I think this might be
Fans are now laughing at you.
I did all the exercisey ones and she managed to find the massagey one. For those of you who don't know, look in that direction.
There's our little waiting place.
A little bit sad that we can't get into it, but
at least it's behind a fence.
at least it's being protected. It's the actual platform. I'm going to see if I can go stand on it. Come on everyone, let's go stand on the edge of the platform. Here we are waiting for our train. Not that way, not that way. The carts would have lined up to take away the passengers and the post. Oh, what a beautiful old building. And there's some more up ahead. Wow, look at the detail on that water tank. Hi everybody, here I am with my good friend Mr. Gandhi. This is the statue to Gandhi at the edge of Rivière du Rempart, the village of courage, not just a province, not just a river, an actual village. Some old sheds which probably serviced the railway line. Can't imagine what this beautiful building was used for originally. Still got the original cornerstones. And they're beautifully crafted. From this distance you can tell that the post office is actually beautifully painted. This, behind me, has to be the greatest computer science university I've ever seen in my life. Just behind me and up these stairs, Cafe Dallas. Pretty cool, unique location. Listen, you want something?
No, I'm cool, thanks.
Let me try blackberry. Bonjour.
You like bushes?
Yeah, very
You
much.
are
been to Mauritius. Nice place here.
Where is nice to eat in this town?
Chinese, it's a Chinese lunch
Okay,
there.
Chinese.
Nice place. Pumping things. Got myself a black bear, only 50 rupees. It's about a pound.
English.
Oh, that is actually really good. Black bear, give it a try.
I will.
We crossed the road because on this side they actually have the original stone walkway.
Okay, to my roof.
And then we came around the corner and we found this nice little boutique. What? What?
Turn around.
There's a traffic light. Welcome to Rivière du Rempart. They have traffic lights. She's heading down to the river. See if it's a little bit more rivery. Here's an original bridge. Look at that. Ow. These are the devil. They're the little monsters. Yeah, this is the old bridge. And there's the river down there. Wow, how awesome is this bridge? Okay, I can't see it much, but you'll be able to see it from Riki's perspective.
Wave. Say hi. You're right.
I'm going to walk under the old bridge. It is a bit of a crawl, and see if I pop up on the other side.
Beware of spiders.
It might be a long crawl. Part one done. Welcome to my under the bridge experience. We've got some motorbikes up ahead. And here we are too. Wow. So we can actually walk under the bridge. We crossed the river on the old bridge. And I think that's pretty cool. Let's grab Riki and head on back. The beautiful old bridge. This is the first house in Rivière du Rempart. This is actually the perfect property, the restaurant on the corner by the old bridge.
There's a shopping centre. You can head a left.
Such a distinct contrast between the old and new. Oh, welcome to restaurant Le Riviera. This is where we will be eating today. Great looking bar. Ice cold beer. The river. And that's why it's called. We are sitting literally on the banks of the river, and this is the restaurant behind me. You guys all know how good I am at pronouncing things, so we're going to eat mangoak with egg. Let's see what mangoak is. Oh, there's one with the egg. There's Riki's. Giving it a try. First bite. I'm just going to try one of these things again on their own. See what it's like. It doesn't carry much flavour with it. I think a lot of the flavour is coming from the broth. Quite a lot of liquid. Oh no, that's the real star of the dish. Oh, fish bone soup.
Let's give one of these looking good. It tastes a bit like a snail, but much softer. And a lot of spices on there. You try some of this noodle with broth. Very fishy. Good noodle. Very good broth. It's good. Not spectacular, but good.
Chicken and oyster sauce for me. Soft chicken. The flavour, it's got a little bit of spice to it. And by spice, I mean a little bit of chili. Nice savoury note to it. There are chunks of fresh chili in there.
It does bite. Yeah, it's hitting me now. Eyes watering, nose watering, but mouth okay, not burning. Nice chili.
Oh yeah.
Nice actually. Chicken and oyster sauce with vegetables.
venue, we'll probably be back. Wow, what a great day in the village of Courage, Rivière du Rempart village. We did a lot of exploring, we ate some food, but we probably missed a lot. So hit us up in the description below if we missed anything or you'd like to see anything else. I've also put in a playlist of Mauritian villages which you can also go check out. Lots of great places there and we're adding to it all the time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, we do appreciate it. Thumbs up if you can. Now for the last minute of the video, we're driving through Rivière du Rempart. Enjoy it, it's sped up, but it's kind of fun.